again. Yo, bro, how much are these? Those are $2.50. That's really good price. Okay, I'll take them. All right, cool. So total's $2.50. Dope, bro. Thank you very much. Yo, bro, I never received them. Never. You never received what? What are you talking about? Yeah, SMH, bro. I don't know what happened. I never got them. You never received the pair of sneakers that are in your hands right now? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Oh, hold on. No, I never received them. Never got them. Dude, I have proof that you have them. I just saw you put them behind your back. Just now, literally. They're behind your back. I hate you so much. Hey! Pancake dipped. I guess she doesn't want to be a part of this, but I'm glad you're a part of this. See what I did there? I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And then after that, if you feel like it, I have a website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers, and the website address is ransomnotesneakers.com. Internet! Hey, what's going on, pals? Nothing? Okay, cool. Anywho, like I said before, this is a beater box from Request Boutique, which is in what? Greensboro, I think? Let's check. Yes, Greensboro, North Carolina. And the nice thing about these is you don't need a membership to buy them. And another awesome thing about these is shipping is only 10 bucks. But in the description of these beater boxes, they did include the qualifier potential for profit. So there's not guaranteed profit, but that just goes to show when you're looking for beater boxes and you're thinking about buying one, do your homework, do as much research as you can to make sure that you're investing your money wisely. Or you can just watch a video of me haphazardly spending my money.
I'm gonna be bankrupt one day.
Just kidding. But yeah, like I said, this beater box was $1,000 plus a mere $10 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Shout out Paulie Canerico! Used to play first base for the White Sox. For a grand total of $1,010, so there's no membership fee, cheap shipping, pretty awesome. I don't really know if they restock these. I don't know when they release them. They just kind of put them up. Your guess is as good as mine. But as far as the box goes, you can follow along with clearance. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, and then we're gonna break it all down at the end to show you how much the entire box is worth versus how much I paid to see if that potential for profit is there. So I'm eager to see what's inside of this. I hope you are too, so let's find out. Everything's upside down, let's flip it. Okay, now we're opening it on the opposite side. Welcome to the most professional YouTube channel in the entire history of YouTube. Professional. That's SB Mitch, baby. So we are open. Looks to be one loose shoe. It is a grade school size. It's a 5.5 youth. I think these are dead stock or maybe worn once. Don't really know. Some kind of gray. This might be the Platinum 13s. I'm not really 100% sure. Yeah, okay, these are worn. There's a little bit of a scuff here on the side. But it's a 5.5 youth. I mean, it's a typical 13. It's gray with a white outsole and midsole, kind of. Really good shape, just a really tiny size and no box, so can't imagine there's tons of value here. So there's your first shoe out, 5.5 youth. Maybe Platinum 13s, not really sure. Not a 13 guy, so. A lot of Jordan 1 boxes, it looks like. Looks like they're small though, too. So this first one here, this is a size 6.5 youth. I could tell by the sticker what it is. This is a 6.5 youth pair of the Turbo Green Air Jordan 1. Recent release from this year. This is actually a dead stock pair, so that's cool. A lot of people expected this shoe to hit a lot harder than it did. I'm not a fan personally. I think the suede on an Air Jordan 1 upper is kind of weird, but that's just me. Yeah, not really much to say. It's Turbo Green, you probably know what they are. This is a size 6.5 and it's dead stock. So that's good, at least they're dead stock. I mean, stuff is gonna be a lot easier to move when it's dead stock. Another Jordan 1. It's a small box. It's a size 4.5 youth. It's another dead stock pair. These are the Crimson Tint Air Jordan 1s. Came out this year also. Not a fan of, I like the color blocking. I just don't like the color itself. It's like this peach pink kind of looking color. Grade school size, 4.5 youth. It's dead stock. Again, I'm gonna sound like a broken record. Don't really care. Dead stock shoes are easier to sell. So 4.5 youth. Crimson Tint Jordan 1s with the original box. So we got a normal size Air Jordan 1. It's a size 12 Air Jordan 1. Doesn't have the sticker on it, so I don't know what it is. This is a good one. This is a worn pair, solid 8 out of 10 condition, of an Air Jordan 1 BRED toe. This came out in 2017. This is the first in a wave of a bunch of really high quality leather Jordan 1s that came out that had that mimicked the same color blocking as the 2015 release of the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard. This is a really nice pair. Size 12 is okay. You can see not really much stuff going on the bottom. I don't know if they clean them beforehand, but these are pretty clean. No secondary laces unless they're hiding inside the shoe, which is quite possible. But a really clean pair. I know the value on these is probably floating around $275 to $300 because this is just a really cool pair. And the colors are classic Jordan colors. So size 12, BRED toe. Lots of ones, holy cow. So we got another one here. Box is a little damaged. It's another size 12. These are the A Star Is Born or Sports Illustrated 1s. This shoe commemorates Michael Jordan's first cover on Sports Illustrated because they were playing the Milwaukee Bucks. They had this kind of detail on their jerseys. It's a really, really simple kind of matte leather with a, what's it called? Embroidered swoosh. Oh my gosh. But it's a really, I mean, it's a super clean colorway. A lot of people take the thread out of the swoosh to make this red kind of come into play, and I think it looks really good. It's a dead stock pair, it's size 12. These are severely under retail now because I don't know why. I think it's a pretty clean colorway, but there you go, size 12. Jordan 1, A Star Is Born or Sports Illustrated 1. So let's keep going. Another Jordan 1. This is a size 6 youth. Ooh, this is 2016 or 2013, baby. Nice, okay, this is actually pretty good. This is a 2016 release on the grade school black toe 1s. It is not dead stock, but these are very, very nice condition. You can tell, I mean, there's barely any toe box creasing. That's the nice thing about kids' shoes. They don't wear them very long, so there's not much damage going on with them, but really good size, really nice pair, very lightly worn, hardly any star loss or heel drag, so that's a good get. I do like, this is probably one of my favorite Jordan 1 colorways. Obviously not my size, but that's good. Size 6 youth, right? Yep, 6 youth, 2016 black toe 1s. Pretty good. I like what's going on in this box. I don't know if it's worth much, but I like what's going on in this box. It's got an Air Jordan 5 Retro BG and a size 6.5 youth. A little bit of a damaged box. These are the Pure Platinum 5s, I wanna say. These are worn, but there it is. It's got the lace locks, very lightly worn. A little bit of discoloration on the bottom. The cages have a little bit of discoloration. See the 23 on the heel right there. Jumpman 2. Yeah, this is a nice pair. It's really clean. It's just a weird size. I don't really know what the market is on these. Fives seem to do well for me. I'm not a huge 5 fan myself, but yeah. 6.5 youth, right? Yeah, 6.5 youth. Jordan 5 Pure Platinum, I think. It looks like a Jordan 4. Air Jordan 4 Retro size 13. Ooh, dead stock pair, right? Yes, dead stock pair. This is the recent release of the Air Jordan 4 BRED. I don't have a pair myself, not that I could fit a size 13, but this was a wide release and a lot of people love this colorway, so there's nothing to complain about here, and it's dead stock. This is a really good shoe. I think this is the first time in a long time they retroed it with a Nike Air on the heel tab. A lot of people complain of how it's off-centered, but it's just an optical illusion, so. Dead stock pair, size 13 is kind of hit or miss. Probably not too much above retail, but it's a really nice shoe regardless, so. Size 13, BRED 4s, in the original box. Looks like there's 2 more in here. It's another Jordan 1. I love that there's so many Jordan 1s in here. It's a size 10.5 Jordan 1. This is a pair from the best hand in the game pack. This is the Air Jordan 1 Clay Green, and it is dead stock in a 10.5. I have a pair myself, got them from my buddy Flippin' Laces. Shout out Christian. But they released a red, a blue, a yellow, and a green. I am a big fan of the color blocking on this, and this pair, this colorway holds a place near and dear to my heart because they were given to me, my pair was given to me as a gift, so I'm a fan. I don't really know what the market is on these right now. I know this is a nice fall colorway, so it'll probably be more in a couple months, but can't complain. Size 10.5 is a good size, and this is a really nice colorway. Clay Greens and a size 10.5. Liking this box so far. We got one more in here, and I think it's a good one. It's a size 11.5. Oh no, it's not a good one. I saw it and I was like, oh, cool, some unions. It is not a union, but that's okay. Oh, it's definitely not what I thought it was gonna be. This is the dead stock pair in a size 11.5. This is a collaboration with a North Carolina-based shop called Social Status. This is an Air Jordan 6 retro. I think it's supposed to be pony hair. These did not do very well. They were released for All-Star Weekend last year, the NBA All-Star Weekend. They did not do very well, but it's a nice shoe. It's got pony hair. It's got this weird like purplish royal blue on it, snake skin kind of material on it. I thought it was a pair of Unions. That would have been awesome. I can't imagine these are going for more than like 150 to 175, especially in this size, but size 11.5 and it's dead stock, so that's okay. Jordan 6 Social Status, and that is a $1,000 beater box from Request Boutique. It's a fun open, but let's give it a grade. This is gonna be a really tough one to grade, but we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna try our best. 3 categories: condition, sizes, and overall value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 pairs of shoes in this $1,000 Request Boutique beater box, and 7 of them are dead stock. 2 of them have the original box in like 8, 9 out of 10 condition, and 1 without a box is in great condition. Condition on this box, we'll give it an A-. Sizes, we have 6 youth, 4.5 youth, 6.5 youth, 13, 10.5, 12, 11.5, 5.5 youth, 6.5 youth, and 12. Sizes, not great, not gonna lie. Sizes on this box will say about a C-. Overall value, ooh. I gotta guess. I mean, I don't look this stuff up until after the video is over, so we're purely guessing. I think there's a potential for $200 to $300 of profit in here, so that's not too bad. Overall value on this box, we'll say about a B+. So with the grade of A- for condition, the grade of C- for sizes, and the grade of B+ for overall value, this $1,000 Request Boutique beater box gets a letter grade of, let's say B. So I took a poorly educated guess and gave this box a letter grade of B, but we need to know if we're gonna make any money on it. So let's do that right now. Yeah, I mean, the movability of all of these models is pretty awesome. I will say that. Jordan 1s will always sell. Jordan 1s are like the new Chuck Taylors, basically. I mean, I have to look these up and see what the values are to determine if this is worth anyone's time, but if anyone wanted to know what a Request Boutique beater box looks like, there it is. So I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch. All of these sneakers should be for sale on my website Friday at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is called Ransom Note Sneakers, and its website address is ransomnotesneakers.com. Pretty fun box, I'm not gonna lie. I had a great time opening it. Hope you did too. If you like what's going on here, remember to subscribe. You can like, you can dislike. That's your options. There's nothing more else to do. Definitely a lot more coming for you. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. I will see you soon. And until next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. Bye!